Shalom, brothers and sisters. The FDA has approved the first vaccine for a mosquito-borne virus that is becoming an emerging global health threat. We've touched on this a couple of times and they're here now. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration on Thursday announced its approval of, I can't even pronounce this, Lieseshubby, the first chikungunya vaccine. The vaccine, which is made by Valneva, is approved for anyone age 18 and older who has a risk of exposure to the virus. The virus is transmitted to people through bites from infected mosquitoes. This virus is a similar category as dengue fever or Zika virus and carried by the same mosquitoes, noted Dr. Mark Siegel, clinical professor. The FDA described it as an emerging global health threat with at least 5 million cases reported over the past 15 years. Infection of the virus leads to severe disease, prolonged health problems, particularly for older adults and individuals with underlying medical conditions. And after the snake bite, pretty much everyone's got underlying conditions these days. A small share of recipients, 1.6%, experienced adverse reactions to the new vaccine, with 2 of the recipients needing to be hospitalized per the FDA's release. In a separate study, the efficacy was measured based on the immune response data of 266 adults. 266 adults and boom, approved. Gives this to everybody that gets exposed to Bill Gates mosquitoes. Mosquitoes, random mosquitoes that just happen to be carrying this thing that they've already prepared a new vaccine for. You've got to see what you see, then it's right in front of you. You've got to see it for yourself. It is crazy how open all these things are right now. Again, we do not fear. I live in a high mosquito area. I see them every day, all around. I'm not worried. I'm in God's hands. To live is Christ. To die is gain. There is no fear welcome in or near me at any time, just the joy of the Lord, which is my strength. God bless. Shalom.